Allow me or permit me means a polite way of announcing that you are going to assist someone. Almost lost it means losing temper, composure, or control. Aloha means hello in Hawaiian. Am I glad to see you means I am very glad to see you. And how means an enthusiastic indication of agreement. And then some means and even more. Friend of someone is a friend of mine means I am pleased to meet a friend of the named person. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more daily lessons and content, and remember to hit that like button. Anything new down your way means has any interesting event happened where you live? Anything you say means yes, I agree. Anytime means an indication that one is available to be called upon or visited or invited at any time in the future. Also, it means a polite but casual way to say you are welcome. Are you all set means do you have anything you need? Or are you finished eating and are you ready for the bill? Are you going my way means if you're traveling in the direction of my destination, could I please go with you or can I have a ride in your car? Alright guys, that concludes today's lesson. Remember to like this video and to subscribe to my channel for more daily lessons and contents. These are also my prior contents which you can watch. I'm Steve and I will see you with another video tomorrow.